Yeah, I know that you people were waiting for me because today is Tuesday and we are up to Tuesday Truthful Talks. That is there. But then before that, it is evening, almost maybe 4:30. I was just busy in a few of the things, so just it went out of my brain that I had started something called as Tuesday Truthful Talks, and I realized that today is Tuesday. All right, so I'm again in my room, and today I'm little good in mood. Maybe this will reflect on the video and we will be able to see the very good things. All right, so this is Neha and you're watching my channel Harnaam Edu Zone. Today I wanted to say that, have you ever thought about this? Have you ever noticed this, that people will forget what you say, okay, and people will also forget what you did, but people will never forget what you made them feel. I hope you people are getting my point. Just listen it once again. I hope you will understand what am I trying to say. You know, people will easily forget what you did, and people also will forget what you said. But do you think people will forget what you made them feel? Feelings will remain always in the heart. So make people feel good and make people feel in such a way that they will remember until they are there on this globe. So based on this, I like to start. So let's start today's Tuesday Truthful Talks. I have a habit of reading books. I love reading novels. I love reading articles. Mostly I love reading stories which holds lot of moral in it. So according to that, today I was just thinking, today in this good mood of flying birds in the heart and mind, I decided to share something, a very good thing. Maybe you will like it. Okay, so hold your hearts, hold your ears and listen me. There was a psychologist lady. She was walking around the room and she was giving a lecture on stress management to the audience. So when she was giving a lecture of stress management to the audience, what she did, she holded a glass of water in her hand. So when she holded a glass of water in her hand, all the audience was very sure. They were, pretty much sure that the question what she'll be asking is whether the glass is half full or half empty. So this was a guess of the audience the moment they saw the glass in her hand. But she smiled and she started asking a question. She asked a question. What do you think? What is the weight of the glass? What is the weight of the glass? So many people in the audience started guessing whatever they know, and there were several answers. She kept smiling and then she started saying, when I was reading, it just touched my heart like anything. Okay, so she said, see, what is the absolute weight of the glass doesn't matter. What matters is how long you're holding it. If you're holding a glass for a minute, then maybe it is not that heavy for you. If you are holding a glass for an hour, maybe you may get, arm and hand aches, pain in your arm and hands. If you are holding the same glass for a whole day, then to gone. Your hands, your fingers, your arms entirely get numbed. You will feel like you're paralyzed if you hold the same glass entire day. So my dear friends, later on what she said was like, the glass of water, what you're holding in your hand, is as equal to the stresses what you're holding in your heart and brains. If you hold the stress and the worries in your heart for a shorter time period, then that is okay. If you're holding for a bit longer, that starts hurting you. If you're holding it in a prolonged way, months together, days together, then you will feel paralyzed from inside. You cannot do anything holding such kind of stresses and worries. So the psychologist who was teaching a stress management to the audience said that try your worries and stresses go out of from yourself as early as possible before you reach evening. That means if you have a stress, if you have worries, try to remove them as soon as possible, as early as you can do it. The more you hold it, the more you will hurt yourself. And that is not a solution. Holding your worries, holding your stresses in your heart is not the solution. So this was one of the article which I had read. And wonderful, right? Wonderful. So that glass was given an example for the stresses and worries. Just let go of it. Just put it down and come out of your stresses and worries. Who don't have worries, who don't have stresses? Everyone on this globe. But then, do you think holding it for a long period of time and thinking about it is the solution? That will harm you. And the other thing which I wanted to say is that educating your brain as well as educating your heart have a big, variation. If you educate your brain and if you don't educate your heart, then that education is waste. It is of no use. Learn to educate your heart first and then educate your brain. This is a perfect way to deal with all of the things. I believe it. I hope you will also believe. That is for the day, and I hope you have enjoyed. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.